So we put this tree up yesterday, and now, and I got those new wreaths on the banister, but we've just got to put all the sort of like little knick-knack things out today. They're all in the garage. Look at this, I got a long time ago. Look at that, isn't it dinky? I love it. There's a dog under there. But yeah, we're just going to get all the knick-knack things out today. And I have to admit, it's so lovely to open things up and to see that I had some felted mushrooms from last year. Look at this one that I made. Yeah, it's really nice to see them. And then I've got the felted things on the tree downstairs as well. But this is my coloured Christmas tree. I really like these colours. Saw this mat next, thought it was really cute. So I've had some more orders. Thank you so much, people. And I'm trying out my new walking boots today because my other ones, oh, they've got holes in them. I use them so much. Both shoes got holes in them and it's starting to let water in. So they last about 1.5 years with me. But this brand Merrill, really found them to be really good, really comfortable. Just going to pack up 2 more orders before we take the dogs out. Pinky's selling quite well, sold a couple of them, so thank you. This set just sells and sells, but I've made another 15 yesterday, so that's really good. So dogs are walked, and now it's time to start opening the advents. So here they are on the desk. I'm just going to grab another cup of tea and then we will start. So I'm going to start with, that candle's really strong actually. World of Wool, let's go into there. So it says day 1 Fezziwig, Corriedale and Surrey alpaca. So like I said, the packages are just so lovely. Really, really nice. But let's see. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, actually. And it's 50 grams. I'm sure it's 50 grams. I'm sure it is, but I'll double check that. But look at that. That's a nice colour, actually. So, yeah, definitely very, very usable for wet felting, dry felting, using in a 2D picture. See, can I open it right? Oh, there we go. That's the end. Yeah, really nice. So, and Lara does a video. I haven't watched the video yet talking about the colours. But yeah, very, very nice one. I was really worried because I saw some last year and they were all quite, I thought they were a bit whiter, paler. So yeah, it's nice that we've definitely got some colour. And it's Corriedale wool, Surrey alpaca. And Fezziwig is one of Ebenezer Scrooge's former employees in Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol. So there we go. That's nice. I think I'm just going to do that and pop them back in there so I know what's what. Right, next up I'm going to do the felt box. So that's day 1. This is needles. So when you're buying from like Crafty Kit Company and the felt box, they give you everything you need to do some needle felting. So open in order and you'll find needle felting needles, and they also gave us 50 grams of carded New Zealand wool in a colour aubergine, just for you to use as you wish. So I wonder what these are. All right, okay, envelope number 7, 6, 3, 1. Right, so 1 isn't till the 2nd of December, so that's tomorrow. So I don't need to, probably won't need to do anything then. But yeah, a set of triangular needles, 32 gauge. Once you get started, poke straight in and out. Yes, teaching you how to use them. So this is the felt box, day 1. Oh, right, okay, it's tools. So, oh, and a needle. Okay, interesting. So that's day 1, tools and a needle. I think this is definitely an advent calendar for if you've never felted before. Yeah, so that's great. Now, this is the Crafty Kit Company 4 needles, Grossbeckett needles, really good quality. A postcard guide to felting needles, a gorgeous reusable eco-friendly wool felting pad from Nepal. So a packet of glass beads, 2 packets of coloured bells, 2 little extra gifts. So this is number 1, day 1 with the Crafty Kit Company. But you also get this bag included, which doesn't have a day on it. I'm just going to open their booklet. Right, so this is the booklet that comes with it, and I'm just going to open it up, and I don't want to show you everything, but you have to read this before you start. So you'll find everything you need, including felting needles, reusable mat, all about the needles, the projects, tips and tricks. That's really good. So day 1. Right, day 1. I'm going to open day 1 and stop faffing. I'm worried I'm going to do something in the wrong order, but you guys... Oh, lovely. Oh, very nice. Oh, very nice. Oh, my goodness. You get really good little things. Look at this. So you get needle and thread. What are we going to be sewing? And I have read it. The title is, I think, A Christmas Tree. So that's cute, and look at that colour. Beautiful colour, perfect core wool. Yeah, evergreen and adorned in lights that gleam. I'm the centrepiece of a holiday dream. Underneath my branches, surprises are kept. What am I, a Christmas tree? I did think it was that. So they give you a little clue. Right. And, oh, cute. So this is the first project, and it shows you how to make it as well. So that is my first task. Actually, I really like that. Oh, and they're putting the felt ball on a firm surface. Wrap the ball in white wool. They're putting the felt ball inside the tree. Then we're creating the tree, and then we get beads in the extra bag. I think this one is going to be the most interesting. Where's their thingy? It says Gift of the Year 2020. So I think they're going to be really good. So I know there are some coloured beads in here. I don't really want to reveal everything that's in here. Oh, tease. There's felting needles. Right, well, I will reveal. So there's the mat. There's felting needles. There's the coloured beads for us to decorate the tree with. And obviously the thread and the needle. That's all very well thought out. I'm not going to show you the other things in this bag just yet. That's really pretty. I really like this setup. Everything we're seeing, it's really appealing, this one. Lovely. So I'm going to do that in a bit. I'm not going to show you everything, all of my process of making, because it will be here for hours. But yeah, I like this one. Next up, Barn to Yarn Day 1, Poncetta Gotland. So I'm reckoning it's a red dyed wool. I quite like the Barn to Yarn one because it's very straightforward. You just open. Whereas I was finding with the others, there was a lot of reading. Right. Oh, lovely. Yep, so they do some beautiful locks. I wouldn't say it's Poncetta red, but yeah, really nice. Gotland locks are quite nice, big, curly locks. That's a nice handful. Yeah, you can see the colours there. Lovely. I'd say burgundy. Maybe you do get burgundy poncettas. I don't know. But yeah, lovely colours. So we've got, this is a wool one. So Day in the Forest. Let's just open it up. This is Creative Anarchy. And it's going to be a little, is it 5 grams of wool? Oh, not colours I was expecting at all for the first one. For A Day in the Forest, it's really lovely. Oh, it's DK, my one. I haven't got the other one. So DK is a double knit. So that refers to the size of the wool, things that I'm sort of learning about. But oh yeah, I do like the colours in that. It's got purples and blues and obviously base white. So once I've got all of these out, and I don't know if they're all variegated or solid colours or whatever, then I'll have a look at this lot and see what I'm going to do. So it has got a name for the first one. I'm not going to show you the others. So this one is Picking Flowers, and I can see why it's those colours. Lovely. So very beautiful. Like that one, Creative Anarchy. And then we have Toft Day 1. And again, so beautiful boxes, really, really nice. So it's going to be, I've been sent the email with the video. You get sent it at 6 AM, and then you just need a 3mm crochet hook and scissors, and I can't remember what else, but here's the wool for the first bit, for the starting bit, and the instructions look fairly simple. I think I understand them, so I'm going to crochet the first few bits later on today. But with Toft, you don't know what it is. Kerry, the lady that runs it, she keeps it a secret for as long as possible. All that I know is that it's woodlandy forest something, which is why I chose it this year, because they did Nutcracker last year, and that wasn't, I mean, I wasn't crocheting much last year anyway, but it wasn't really for me. But woodland foresty, I was like, yep. And then a day in the forest, yep. And then, you know, so it'll be interesting to see what this one is. So I'll show you that once I've made up and done the first day. There we go. So that's it for now. And then I'll show you some of day 2. I'm going to make that Christmas tree, which is over here, because I really like the look of that. That's a really lovely project. If we're going to be doing lots of projects each day, that's going to be really good. So a successful first day. Really pleased with it.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know.
So it's Monday, day 2 of Vlogmas, and I finished my little tree, which I was really pleased with actually. I think it's a really cute little project. Now I've opened all of day 2 because I'm not going to make you sit through all of it, but let me just show you briefly. Toft, well, should I do it in the other order? I'll just do it in any order. So Toft, day 2, beautiful little box, and it's a little, literally a key chain, or a key on a chain. So interesting. It's really nicely made. It's really good quality, and it's just so beautiful in its little box. Yeah, really like the Toft one. World of Wool, day 2, Zuzu's Petals, and I've watched Lara on her videos, and this is from a film. I can't remember what it's called. It's a really old film, and this has got glitter in it. Let's see, is the light on it? There you go. So it is Superwash Merino and Stellina. Now she did say this is not for, I'm assuming, needle felting, but you probably could wet felt it. But again, it's another it's a lot of fibre that you're getting in this one, so I'm really pleased with that. I'm going to show you something interesting about the colours in a minute. Creative Anarchy, so I got that one on day 1, and then this, let's get it round nicely. This colour, I don't know if you can definitely see it, is day 2. I might try and get you a little close-up of that in a slightly better light. That light's not the best, but it goes really well with day 1. And the name of it, let me get the name. And the name of it is liverwort. Liverwort? That must be a flower. Let me look that up. So yeah, liverwort is a type of weed, but it's not blue. It's green. I don't know. But so really lovely colours that go really well together. Put that back down. Then we have Crafty Kit Company. It was all of these. So you got all of these fibres, 3 little balls, and a green fleece, green felt. So I do happen to know, I've looked it up in the book. If you have got it and haven't opened it yet, or don't want to open it, because this is day 2 and 3, please, you know, as with all of these, I'm not going to say it every time, look away, but it's peas in a pod. There you go. So I'm really looking forward to making that one. That is so cute. I wonder how you do, oh, you have got the black wool to do the face, so that's good. Really good instructions. I think this is really well put together, this one. So, and the next one is the felt box, which I have opened up, and you get a core wool, a red wool, and a white wool, and then you get some little earring hooks. Now I've just opened the leaflet and we're going to be making a mushroom, so that's really good, but it doesn't mention anything about earrings, so that's interesting. Maybe they're for later. They do have little jokes on their slips. I'll give you just this one. I'm not reading any more out. How do sheep wish each other happy holidays? Merry Christmas to you, EWE. There we go. So that's everything. Let me just show you something really interesting about the colours. So the Felt Box and Crafty Kit Company have got all the Christmassy colours, so they go together really well. But then look at this. World of Wool, Barn to Yarn, those two colours, and Creative Anarchy. This has literally got those colours in it and a little bit of that colour, and the pinks and that blue. It all goes really well. How bizarre is that? It's like they've been working together. So I've just been doing this sheep in the evenings, and as I showed you, I've added his ears and I've started on the fleece, which has got to be all over the body. I'm not sure if I'm doing them right, but they look fleecy, so I'm going to go with it. I can't find any videos on it, and it's going to be all over the head, so it's going to take a while. But this is Seth the sheep, I think, from Toft. So yeah, very cute. Very pleased with him so far. So that's it. We have got Visit to Chatsworth, sorry, say it correctly. And I shall be cracking on with making those peas in the pod, the mushrooms, have to make a mushroom, and Toft, and opening a few more. I'm not going to show you the opening of every single one because we would be here forever. So I hope you're enjoying it. It's a bit of a, oh yeah, I wanted to say, so I watched my, I edited sort of yesterday, and when I introduced and said, oh, right, let's open the advent calendars, I sounded really not very excited. And I am excited. I think I was really overwhelmed because I was finally getting to open them, and I'd planned it for so long, and I was like nervous to start opening them. I don't know why. I just wanted to make sure I get it right and don't reveal anything I shouldn't or stuff like that, because I haven't done this before. And it's a big thing, changing your channel up a bit and doing a Vlogmas. But yeah, I am excited. I'm really excited and really privileged to be able to have all these advent calendars. So yes, so hopefully you're enjoying it, and we'll see you on Wednesday, where we've got lots more fun things and the visits to Chatsworth, like I just said. So thanks everybody, and see you on Wednesday. Bye.